How to use camera in MacBook, whether you are using MacBook Pro or Air. So let's get started. You can access camera app by clicking on search icon and search for photo booth, or another way you can go to launchpad. Here you can search photo booth. As you can see here, this is an app. Click it here. As you can see here, click it here to capture an image. As you can see here, this is the image. You can record a video as well. You can click it here and the video will start. The video has captured. In the same way, if you want to add effects in the video or photo, you can also add effects as well. Click it here, effects. As you can see here, lots of effects here. You can also explore other effects as well. So this is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.